The book on advanced tax strategies for the savvy real estate investor. Chapter 14. Taking advantage of opportunities in the O-Zone. The Opportunity Zone program was created to help with distressed communities. This was done by the government giving people massive tax breaks who invested in these communities. These tax breaks are as follows. 1. Tax deferral. Investors are able to defer capital gains tax in the current year. The example given is that a property is sold with a taxable gain of $250,000. A capital gains tax of 15% of the gain would be $37,500. If that $250,000 profit was invested into an Opportunity Zone fund, then you wouldn't need to pay taxes on that $37,500 yet. Number 2. Tax reduction. By holding onto the Opportunity Zone investments for long term, part of that $37,500 can be permanently reduced by 10% after 5 years and 15% in 7 years. This means that when it is time to pay taxes, the $37,500 would now be 15% less. Number 3. Tax-free growth. If you were to hold onto the investment and it appreciated in value, then there would be no taxes on that appreciation. That means 100% tax-free growth. There are some rules as concerning investing in an O-Zone deal. When investing in an O-Zone deal, the property must be located in an area that is designated by the government as an Opportunity Zone. Also, substantial repairs and improvements to the property must be done. Because of this, investing in an Opportunity Zone can be risky and is usually done by more experienced investors. Chapter 15. The Perfect Tax Plan. This is the last chapter of the Tax Strategies book. The main things to think back on are how many of the tips and tools that are used in one chapter can be combined with others. This will compound your savings significantly and will accelerate your investing goals. In order to implement this, tax planning is an absolute must. Buying a property and then hoping your taxes are less than before is a poor decision. Speaking to a CPA or another tax professional about your investing goals should be done before action is taken. With that said, action should be taken. Even if you can't perfectly use every single method possible, just one can help your finances immensely.